Do you ever feel stuck when talking about your day in English? Maybe you want to say, I wake up, I go to work, I eat lunch, but you run out of words?
Don't worry, because today we'll fix that.
In this lesson, you'll learn 100 daily routine English sentences, easy, useful, and perfect for everyday life.
You'll learn how to talk about your morning, afternoon, and evening, just like native speakers. So, grab your notebook and get ready to speak confidently in English.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English learning channel. I'm Lily.
And I'm Leo. How are you all doing today? We hope you're feeling great and ready to improve your English fluency.
So, Leo, what time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6:30 this morning. I made my bed, brushed my teeth, took a shower, and had a big cup of coffee. What about you?
Nice! I woke up a bit late today. I made breakfast, checked my phone, watered my plants, and got ready for filming this video.
That sounds like a typical morning. And you know what? Most people around the world follow a similar routine. Waking up, working, relaxing, and going to bed.
Exactly. And that's what we'll practice today. Real English sentences you can use every single day.
So, repeat after us, speak out loud, and let's start with the morning routine.
Ready? Let's go. All right, let's begin with the morning routine. Morning is the start of the day, and it's full of small actions that we do almost automatically.
Yes, from waking up to leaving the house, these are sentences we use all the time. So listen carefully, repeat after us, and imagine your own morning while you practice.
Ready? Let's begin. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I make breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee. I eat toast and eggs. I check my phone. I read the news. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I say goodbye to my family. I lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to work. I listen to music on the way. I arrive at work. I greet my coworkers. I start my workday.
Nice job, everyone. Try saying these sentences every morning. It's a great way to practice and remember daily English expressions.
Yes, the more you repeat them, the more natural you'll sound. Now let's use a few in a short conversation.
Lily, what do you usually do after waking up?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make coffee every single morning.
Same here. Then I pack my bag and leave for work.
Perfect. You see how natural that sounds? Great work, everyone.
All right, let's move on to the next part, our daytime routine.
Great job, everyone. Now that we've finished the morning routine, it's time to talk about what we do during the day, our daytime routine.
That's right. During the day, we work, study, eat, meet people, and do many small things that make up our busy lives. So, listen carefully, repeat after us, and picture your own day as you speak.
Let's go through 25 useful daytime sentences you can use at work, at school, or even at home. Ready? I start work at 9 o'clock. I check my emails. I read my messages. I attend meetings. I write in my notebook. I answer phone calls. I work on my computer. I study English online. I take notes in class. I talk with my coworkers. I have lunch with friends. I take a short break. I go for a walk. I drink a glass of water. I go to the library. I read some books. I finish my assignments. I check my schedule. I reply to messages. I attend another meeting. I help my classmates. I call my boss or teacher. I take another short break. I complete my tasks. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Excellent! These are everyday sentences people use at work or school. Try repeating them a few times every day. It'll help you remember and use them naturally.
Yes. And now let's practice a short conversation using some of these sentences.
Lilia, what do you usually do after lunch?
After lunch, I take a short walk and check my emails. How about you?
I usually talk to my coworkers and finish my reports before the next meeting.
Perfect. You see how easy it is to talk about your day once you know these sentences?
Exactly. Keep practicing and soon you'll speak fluently without thinking too much.
All right, let's move on to the next part, our evening routine. Welcome back, everyone. You've done amazing so far. We've talked about the morning and daytime routines, and now it's time to move into the evening routine.
Yes, evening is that relaxing part of the day when we come home, spend time with family, and prepare to rest. Let's learn some simple and useful English sentences for evening activities.
Listen carefully and repeat after us. Try to imagine your own evening while you speak. I come back home.
I take off my shoes.
I wash my hands and face.
I take a shower.
I change my clothes.
I cook dinner.
I help my family in the kitchen.
I set the table.
I eat dinner with my family.
I talk about my day.
I watch TV.
I listen to music.
I check social media.
I call my friends.
I play games on my phone.
I go out for a walk.
I visit my neighbors.
I water the plants.
I clean my room.
I do the dishes.
I finish my homework.
I plan my tasks for tomorrow.
I read a few pages of a book.
I relax on the sofa.
I spend time with my family.
Nice job! These sentences are great for describing what happens after work or school.
Yes, try saying them in order. It helps you sound more natural when talking about your daily life.
Let's practice a quick conversation.
Leo, what do you usually do after dinner?
I watch TV for a while and then call my parents. What about you?
I usually clean up the kitchen, then read or listen to music.
That's nice. Evenings are perfect for relaxing and preparing for the next day.
Exactly. Great work, everyone. Now, let's move to our night routine. Great work, everyone. Now, let's move to the last part of our day, the night routine.
Yes, night is when we slow down, rest, and get ready for the next day. Let's learn some simple English sentences you can use to talk about what you do before going to sleep.
Exactly. Remember to listen carefully, repeat after us, and imagine yourself doing each action. Repeat after me section. Short pauses after each. I finish my work. I clean up my desk. I check my messages. I reply to emails. I charge my phone. I turn off my computer. I change into my pajamas. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I apply face cream. I read a book before bed. I write in my journal. I think about my day. I plan for tomorrow. I set my alarm clock. I pray or meditate. I turn off the lights. I say goodnight to my family. I lie down in bed. I close my eyes. I listen to soft music. I relax my body. I fall asleep slowly. I dream sweet dreams. I sleep peacefully through the night.
Wonderful! These are perfect for describing your bedtime habits in English.
Yes, and remember, the more you say them out loud, the faster you'll remember. Repetition is the key to fluency.
Now, let's practice a short bedtime conversation.
Leo, what do you usually do before going to bed?
I brush my teeth, set my alarm, and read a book. What about you?
I like to write in my journal and listen to soft music before sleeping. It helps me relax.
That sounds nice. A peaceful night leads to a good morning.
Exactly. Great job, everyone. You've now learned 100 daily routine English sentences. Wow, you did it! You've just learned 100 daily routine English sentences from morning to night.
That's amazing. Let's do a fun little review game to check how much you remember. Are you ready?
Here's how it works. I'll say the first part of a sentence and you finish it. Speak loudly and clearly, okay?
All right, let's start with the morning routine.
I wake up at...
Good. 7 o'clock.
Next, I brush my...
Teeth. Excellent.
I make...
My bed. Perfect.
Nice work. Now, let's move to daytime routines. I start work at...
9 o'clock.
I check my...
Emails.
I have lunch with...
My friends.
Great! Now let's jump to the evening routine. I cook.
Dinner.
I watch.
TV.
I call my...
Friends. Nice job.
And finally, night routine. I set my...
Alarm clock.
I turn off the...
Lights.
I go to...
Bed.
Amazing! You're doing great! You just reviewed all 4 parts of your day. Morning, day, evening, and night using real English sentences.
Remember, practicing daily routines helps you sound natural and confident in everyday conversations.
Yes, try using these sentences to describe your own day in English every single day.
That's right. The more you use them, the more fluent you'll become.
Fantastic work, everyone! Now stay with us for the final section, closing and motivation.
Let's wrap it up together.
Wow, what a wonderful lesson today. You've just learned and practiced 100 daily routine English sentences from morning to night. That's a huge step in your English journey.
Yes, you did it. Be proud of yourself. Learning 100 real-life sentences in one lesson means you can already start thinking and speaking more naturally in English.
Remember, fluency doesn't come overnight. It's built through small, daily habits. So, keep practicing these sentences every single day, just like your routine. Brush, eat, speak, repeat.
Exactly. Practice is power. Use these sentences while doing real activities. When you wake up, when you cook, or when you go out. Speak them out loud.
And if you make mistakes, don't stop. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. Every word you speak builds your confidence.
Now, here's your challenge for today. Trumpet. In the comments below, write 5 sentences about your own daily routine. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink a cup of tea. I go to the gym. We'll read some of your comments in our next video.
That's right. And if this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our new lessons.
Also, check the description below. We've added a free practice worksheet and a link to our daily routine playlist. That's where you can listen, repeat, and master real conversations step by step.
Share this video with a friend who's learning English too. Studying together makes it even more fun.
So keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep learning every day, because English grows with practice.
Thank you for joining us today. Stay confident, stay positive, and never stop learning.
See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.